Hello friends, this video is how to make a circle motif into a square. So I'm using this kind of yarn, super soft, 100% cotton, and this is a size, a category weight, medium weight yarn, category 4. And I want the crocheted piece to be, the stitches to be tight. So the recommended crochet hook is 5.5 millimeter, but I can see that the problem with a very loose stitches are that it easily get caught on hairpins and pins, and so it easily get, the stitches get easily destroyed. So I want to make the stitches tight enough so that it is resistant to rubbing and pulling. And so you can, this is about the same number of round, and you can see how small this is. And this is using a size 3.5 millimeter hook. So begin the round by making a slip knot. And I'm applying tension as I crochet on this yarn so that my stitches are tight. So what I mean by applying tension is as you draw the stitch, you sort of tag on it to tighten the stitch. I usually don't do that with yarn, but like I said before, that it make it easier to pull, get rubbed if it's too loose. So I want it to be tighter. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So after making chain 6, then slip a stitch onto the 6th chain from hook. Coil the yarn around so I can crochet over the tail. Chain 2 to count as 1, double crochet, and double crochet over the ring. We're gonna make a pair of 2 double crochet, chain 2, and 2 double crochet, chain 2 each time all around the ring to make a total of 8 repeats. So chain 2, 1, 2, double crochet, 2 double crochet over the ring, and repeat, chain 2, double crochet over the ring, after the last repeat of chain 2, 2 double crochet, then chain 2 again and slip stitch on the second chain of beginning chain 2. And that's the first round. That's how the first round looks like. The next round, we slip stitch onto the next stitch. That's one slip stitch, and the second slip stitch is on the chain 2 space. So chain 2, and this count as 1 double crochet. So we'll make a group of 3 double crochet on this chain 2 space. So 2 more to make a total of 3 double crochet. And that's the group of double crochet. Then chain 2 and 3 double crochet on the next chain 2 space. Okay, this yarn is 10 to strand, so cannot have that because the stranding makes it susceptible to yarn strand getting pulled, destroying the stitches. So there's another group of 3 double crochets. So we will repeat 3 double crochet, chain 2 all around on the next space. So I'll do another group of 3 double crochets. 1, 2, 3, chain 2. So I'm on the last repeat, 3 double crochet on the next chain 2 space. Chain 2 and single crochet on the second chain of the beginning chain 2. And that's the end of round 2.